What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it is Saturday. So Saturday means three things, okay? One, I gotta mow my yard. Two, Camaro update. Three, extra hydration. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. All right, so the yard is done. I still need to weed whack, but last time we did a Camaro update, I had freaking clippings all over my sunglasses, and I didn't realize until I uploaded the video. But I have some kind of exciting news for you guys that I'm contemplating. I'm letting you guys know that I'm contemplating this idea. The idea is driving the Mark IV Jetta that I have up with my parents and fixing my LB7. Not necessarily that that's like my first goal with that truck, but how about I just completely redo it and not be rushed to do it, and just in the meantime drive something that I'm not necessarily a fan of for the ultimate outcome of having that truck back on the road and better than ever. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. In the meantime, let's get the Duramax started, backed up into the yard so I have a little bit more room for what we're doing on the Camaro today. All right, so one other issue that I'm dealing with this truck right now, and it just did it to me now. I put it in reverse, but it did not engage. So I dropped it all the way down into the drive, ended up engaging into drive, and then put it into reverse. But for some reason, it's not wanting to engage into gear right away, which is kind of concerning. It is another scorcher today, but we are going to continue to make progress on the Junkyard 3rd Gen Camaro. I'm actually going to probably take the lip and the front bumper off today and just kind of start working our way over to that other side. So I'm going to throw you guys on a time lapse so you guys can follow along the process. And honestly, if there's ever a point where it's going to look like complete and total shit, it's going to be starting today. Was more of a pain in the ass than I remember, but the front bumper is off so you guys can see how this was kind of damaged inside here. I'm probably gonna get a new piece and have it bolted in here, just to kind of straighten up this front end while we have it apart. Everything, you know, just keep everything as factory as we can, as best as we can. We did get the bumper bolted up with this being smashed, but but if we're going to give this car away someday, I want everything to be done right. Whew. All right, guys, now that the bumper is off of the car, I'm gonna peel the plastic dip off of the hood so you guys can see the original Maui blue color that was on my 1988, which, if you're not familiar with third gen Camaros, Maui blue was, I believe, only made in 1988, and we got really lucky with having mine being Maui blue. But I'm pretty sure, now correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure they only came on the 6-cylinder models in Maui blue. Peeled off a little section so you guys can see the Maui blue color, and it is distinctively different than the color of the rest of the car here. But I think once we get the hood completely taken off, which honestly I might just start sanding it, but so you guys can see kind of in the sunlight Maui blue difference in comparison to that. Alright guys, so before we wrap up today's video, obviously we got the front bumper, the headlight assembly taken off today, and we got majority of the driver's side plastic dip taken off. Now there is still a lot of work to do with the plastic dip, getting all of it off, plus all of the body work that needs to be done in this car. Like I said in the last Camaro upload, it's going to be kind of like a long but fast procedure, especially with me only being able to work on it one day a week. The whole one day a week thing kind of hurts, but with my work schedule and having 2 kids and then my wife's work schedule, it doesn't make sense for me to try to come down here and work on this any other day of the week other than a Saturday. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to take you guys upstairs and show you guys a little bit of an update inside my office, because we ended up kind of organizing some stuff up in my recording studio where we normally film some of like the reviews and different videos like that. We finally got a couch inside here for inside of my recording studio, which you guys see this background sometimes when I do different videos, just kind of reviewing things or just random topics. But my daughter already has her stuffed animal and 2 little pillows here, but we still need to unfortunately get this thing freaking mounted up on the wall, and then I can sit down here and watch videos. So if this was your first time watching a video on my channel, guys, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Like the freaking video. It helps out a lot more than you guys realize. We're continuing. Yeah! We are continuing to grow at kind of a rapid rate, not too crazy, but we are closing in on 3,500 subscribers, one step closer to 5,000. So if you know anybody that likes third gen Camaros or likes automotive content in general, make sure to tell them to check out the channel. Till next time, guys, see ya.